Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and opening the update source. Make sure you are signed into the Microsoft Store or the app's updater so the tool can verify licenses. Once done, save any open files and confirm the system has internet access. Also check for required OS updates because many apps depend on system APIs. Installing those first prevents conflicts. Now, locate the app in the store or the app's built-in updater and be ready to initiate the update step. You initiate the update by selecting Update or Check for Updates and confirming the version you'll install so you know what changes to expect. If the app is running, close it. Otherwise, use Task Manager to end lingering processes because open files block replacements. Once the download starts, monitor progress and avoid heavy network use. Slower connections can time out. If the installer asks for permissions, grant them. This is why you signed in earlier. Keep an eye for post-install prompts. You finish by restarting the app and verifying the update in About or Settings to confirm new features or fixes. If the app fails to launch or shows errors, make sure you reboot the PC and try a repair via Windows settings. That fixes common file or registry mismatches. If repair fails, reinstall the app but first back up user data to avoid loss. If problems persist, note any error codes and check Event Viewer or app logs to guide the next troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.